Dee-doo. Dee-doo. I don't know if they have 7-Eleven in Hong Kong, but we're gonna find out. Check out the chandeliers. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that neat old bus. How do we get on that one? Alrighty, I'm official. We have the Octopus Card, and so this is 200 Hong Kong dollars. And basically you just tap it anywhere you want to get on the bus, the train, the MRT. You just tap and go, tap and go. It's a minimum of 200 HKD, and I think it's probably going to last me the full 4 or 5 days that I'm here. So let's see how it works. Are you ready? Let's go. So we just find a little station where you want to go through, and I scan. It says my remaining balance. Ow, it costs 50 for that one? That seems a little ridiculous, but maybe we'll see what it looks like on the other side. But that just said 50, which is $6. It doesn't even know where I'm going, so maybe it'll just do like a charge of 50 and then it'll reimburse me once I get off the train. We're gonna have to figure this out together. So we are currently at Fortress Hill. We want to go all the way to Central. So what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, he told me to get off here and just do a small walk. So we're gonna go 4, and then we're gonna walk to Central. Everything is green around here. I wonder if it's the station's Fortress Hill. I got time to walk you guys down this way. Let's see. It's literally just green on green on green. So let's go to Central today from Fortress Hill and see if it really costs 50 HKD, because if that's true, we messed up. We should have gotten the all-you-can-travel pass for 65 HKD, and because if it's 50 each way, that's burning my HKD right up. So here we go. A9 line, very clean, very clean. Okay, everywhere you go to, boom, you've got your travel map. Train to Kennedy Town. We're getting off at Admiralty from Fortress Hill. See you there. All right, you can see they've got a map right inside. Fortress Hill, 1, 2, 3, 4 to Admiralty. Middle of the day on a Tuesday. Pretty packed, but there's still enough room for everybody. Tin Hau is orange, look. So Fortress Hill was green and Tin Hau is orange. So there has to be something with these colors. And there you can see that Causeway Bay is purple. So we've got green Fortress Hill, Tin Hau is orange, and Causeway Bay is purple. Alright, and you can see that Wan Chai is lime green. So Wan Chai lime green, Fortress Hill green, Tin Hau orange, Causeway Bay purple, Wan Chai lime green. And finally we have arrived at Admiralty, which is gonna be blue. So that was fun. 4 quick stops. I think that was less than 10 minutes and we're down in central Hong Kong. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you a quick video of what's going on and a little bit more than just riding the monorails. Okay, so we've got our Octopus card. It was 50. Let's see what it is this time. Oh, wow. I think the Octopus card must have cost me 50 or something because that only was like 3 Hong Kong dollars. There's no way the first route was 50, so they must have charged me 50 for the card or something. And I think we can just use it all day. And there I was, right smack dab in the middle of Hong Kong. Walking through the gardens, having a Monster energy drink. Surrounded by skyscrapers. I don't know what that bubble building is. It's pretty cool. Looks like it could probably use a wash though. Man. So I took the train from Fortress Hill, 4 stops to Admiralty, and it was like $2 or $3. And from there, I walked off Admiralty over to Chatter Park, which is where we are now. Hear that noise? I hear that bird in Thailand all the time when you're waking up in the morning. Doesn't want to talk to me right now. So I'm gonna head down to Central, look for some lunch. I kind of want to get some like really cool stall noodles or dumplings or dim sums or something fun, you know. So we'll see what we get into, but until then, I gotta finish this Monster Energy and then find my way to lunch. So we'll see you at lunch. We're just gonna do one quick director's view from the center of this park. Oh, the sunlight hits you right in the face. It's actually quite nice, 75 degrees, clear skies. Couldn't ask for a better first day in Hong Kong. But I'm gonna head to the Ferris wheel. The Glorious Living Dead. Oh, the Glorious Dead, not Living Dead. See if I can get you a little zoom action. Probably a 1X is going to be good there. Do you guys think this fella's real? Let's put some money in his jar. Uh-oh. He starts dancing. His pants are down though. Man. 5 stars. Look at that. We're still in search of lunch, but I found some crazy stairs that I need to walk up. And I think it's going to lead me to where we want to be to find lunch. Okay, it's a pretty neat little street. Shops, wares. Oh, it keeps going. You guys gonna stay with me all the way up?
I'm meeting table.
Okay. We're crossing. We're crossing. All right. I smell lunch. I just can't see it yet. Oh. Anybody need a fresh wig? Oh. Maybe a horse mask. This is fun. Let's see what else we can find. I'm really liking the quality of this video right here. I might switch to this full time. Hey, but my calves and thigh is burning. So we gotta find some lunch pretty soon here. Okay. Ooh, Fortune foot. Maybe we need a foot massage before lunch. Right there. That might be the call. So the landmark I'm looking for is called Khun. This is going to be one of the oldest buildings that hasn't been demolished to create skyscrapers and really big buildings. So, and it's also located in a really busy district. It's called SOHO, I think. Old Bailey Street, Hollywood Road. So I smell it. I smell the food, but I got to go to this landmark real quick. Uh-oh, we missed our crosswalk. We're gonna get to this landmark, we're gonna get a massage, and then we're gonna get some freaking food because I'm getting hangry. I want you guys to get a glimpse of this freaking road. Holy cow. It's almost straight up. So we gotta go halfway down this, and then to the right is gonna be our monumental building. But there's a massage shop right here too, so. Alright. Let's keep walking. Oh, wait a minute. This is it, guys. This is Khun. Khun? Yeah, it is. It's Khun. So, this building is the one I'm looking for. That's great. Still standing, one of the oldest buildings that hasn't been modified or demolished. Khun. And so what I've accidentally stumbled upon is the old Victoria prison. I just went through the prison yard. And here's a bit of the old infrastructure that hasn't been tampered with. Let's see if I can zoom out just a little for you guys. How are we gonna do this? Oh, that's not it. Okay, maybe? No? There we go. But what better to ruin some old architecture than a beautiful Chanel watch on the billboard? Ah, here you go. Look at that. Old colonial, maybe. Feels like it. Looks like it. I wonder if I can get out this way. Oh. Dang. Dang, look at this courtyard. Welcome to Hong Kong, ladies and gentlemen. Khun, the old Victoria prison. I'm not gonna send you guys into that sunlight, but I'm gonna head back down to where we started because I smelled some sick eats out there. And I think it's probably like Japan and everywhere else that's Asia. You gotta go 2 floors down to really find the good stuff. Uh-oh, neon lights. I'm always distracted by a good neon light. Let's see what we find. Alright, we're not gonna last much longer. We've had a couple beers over at the steakhouse. but we found a little place called the Hong Kong Hop Exchange where they're selling IPAs at a discount. They only do it by 30 centiliters and 40 centiliters. Look here. This is the big one. Not very big to me, but it'll tickle your pickle and you'll have a good time.
Now you're seeing about Hong Kong side, which is Causeway Bay, Wan Chai, Central, MRT. You can see the taller building is IFC. And then opposite side of Hong Kong Island is Kowloon.
Kowloon.
Yeah, Kowloon you can see it's Tsim Sha Tsui. Like the Tsim Sha Tsui, we have Rosewood Hotel, ICC, and this part is Kowloon East.
It's cold outside, boy. I tell you what, it's a little cold out here. I'll tell you that right now. Yeah. All right, fools, we're getting out here. We're gonna get this footage for you.
You can see the moon.
Yeah, I can see the moon. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's see it. Let's zoom in. 3. There she is. 10. It's too wobbly.
And then 8 o'clock we can see the laser show. 1 minute left. 2, 1. You see the lighting is shining. Different building. Other building. And then the lasers come out.
Yeah, I see it.
Yes. Also over there is Mong Kok, the Lingham Place. The Mong Kok 5-star hotel. Midnight. Oh, you can see the aeroplane is very high. The aeroplane flight very low.
I see it.
They want to enjoy the light show as well.
It's over?
I want 7 minutes.
It's too fucking cold out here. Fucking jeez.